Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the latest marble wall decoration ideas for 2024. So friends, are you looking for marble decoration ideas? So then you are come to the right place because marbles offer wide ranges of decoration opportunities. In fact, it's one of the most building material by architecture in interior design. And thanks to its sophistication and elegance that it's provide to the environment, therefore every home are ideal to decorate with marble. Hence its multi-purpose features. Marble always plays its part of your lives and one of the most common place to the find at home in the bathrooms. And thanks to its resistance and color range and textures, marbles can be used in any bathroom for floorings and cladding, worktops and sinks, and black and white marble flooring for modern and classic style bathroom, and shower features like background marbles, pinks and streaks, and blue marble sinks with gold plumbing features, and cream Murphy marbles has leading to role in bathrooms as both floorings and cladding can features these materials. And whatever it's rustic or modern, industrial or mid-turn of style kitchen, all have one of the things is common. They could not be marbles is the most dependable material for their worktops and floorings or claddings. And on the occasion, the kitchen floorings was manufactured and marble to provide sophistication style. And black marble cladding and black marble worktop and black spacious it's available and it's look very beautiful in any kitchen and one of the most properable areas in the home when you can find marble furniture in although the living room dining room on other hand it's similar to be above the gases and marble is also present in the floorings and walls and try to combine white marble floorings with and neuromarcune marbles cladding to provide your living room with character with creating welcoming environment full of light. And being colors convey calm and peace. That is why cream and Maffil to use the both living room as well bedrooms. Black marbles is brass dining table. It's not only serves as purpose of gatherings and hosting the dinners, but it's also decorative element. And exclusive marble chairs is Mark and Newson. White marble candles holders with brass details. And bedrooms and home areas that must invest and invite your rest. The marbles is capable of convey and different emotions, including relax and serenity. When it comes to decorating your bedroom with marble, you can use it on the besides the tables, floorings, and wall claddings. And stricted marbles with book matches the effect it used to create of very organized and original hardwood. And something as remarkable as besides table can provide good natural marbles can add classy to any space for years to come. May it be commercial or residential houses. You can select different types of marbles and your home is selected the best marble for floorings and wall claddings and counters for anything. And natural stone also works great with all kind of weather conditions, making it easy to maintain. And it shows us minimal damage due to the natural elements like water, fire, road nets, and other external agents. This makes it excellent choice for spaces across the home, from foyers, living room, or bedrooms and bathrooms, and etc. And you can choose to combine different slabs to create magnificent book, match your bedroom or living room. The room wall cladding choose any of Italian cut marbles and polished marbles that can be look matches across the seamless application successfully achieved by our skill. And it's important to artfully place the marbles piece on the all times together along with the kind of painting. You can smart and you can use texture marbles and interior design to achieve luxurious look. Different finishes will help to enhance the beauty of your selected marble. It's giving the timeless feel. You can choose from fluors, gloss, honed, and water jet finishes, and more. Depending on design requirements, you can also customize the finishes with the expertise of your marble wall highlights are also a wonderful way to bring elegance into your house without having to renovate or making significant changes to exciting decor. Consider choosing pieces that won't look out of place in your overall interior scheme but still revamp the look and feel of your space. Using beautifully handcrafted marbles wall designs in bathrooms can a great choice. This is less of commitment and it's not only involves picking out of the right size shape and then installing. In the shape of choice, it's also practically way to incorporate low maintenance wall into your house by adding its elegant and making your bathroom look one kind of beautiful. Every marble slab is different, and so are its application. With help of the corrector, and you can plan what you finish and application will look like. And to know stunning options for using Italian marbles for wall claddings, to invest best marbles and choose for your house. And so,
Luxurious
friends, if you
marbles.
like this video, please. And marbles is said to be the one of the most beautiful and natural stones. After all, it's one of the mother and nurture to birth taking creations that take millions of years to form. And the most